Machine design first. Riveted joint. Why? Material with poor weldability. Example, aluminum and its alloy. Joint between heterogeneous material. Example, joint between steel and plywood. Riveted joint. It is a permanent joint. It is widely used in engineering applications like boiler, pressure vessel, reservoir, ship, truss, frame, and cranes. Rivet has three main parts: shank, head, and point. Crosshead. Rivet is specified by its shank diameter. Application of riveted joint: boiler, pressure vessel and tank, bridge, truss, crane and machinery in general. Hulls of ship used for metal with poor weldability. Example, aluminum. Joint between heterogeneous material. Example, joint between steel and plywood. There are some standard size of rivet are 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, and so on. Advantage of riveted joint over welding joint: parts assembled from riveted joint are free from thermal after effect. Heat required for welding caused warping and affect the structure of heat treated component. Riveted joints are more reliable than welded joint in application which are subjected to vibration and impact loading. Welded joint restricted to steel part. Riveted joint aluminum, copper, brass and non-material. While dismantling of riveted joint component are less damaging, quality of riveted joint can be easily checked, and for weld quality radiography inspection which is costly and time taking process. Disadvantage of riveted joint: material cost is more due to hole plate thickness are increased. Weight of rivet is more 3 to 4% of total weight, whereas welding have 1 to 1.5%. Overlapping and strap plate are required in some cases. Labor cost is more than welded joint. Failure are more occur in region of stress concentration due to rivet hole creates more noise. Types of riveted head: snap head or button head, which are most popular. Pan head rivet suit for corrosive atmosphere. Counter sunk head rivet where protruding head is objectionable. Flat head rivet for lightweight sheet metal work. Half countersunk head rivet. Types of riveted joint: there are mainly two type: lap and butt joint. First, lap joint: two overlapping plate held together by one or more row of rivet. Types of lap joint: single riveted lap joint. Second, double riveted lap joint with chain pattern. Third, double riveted lap joint with zigzag pattern. The distance between two rivet is known as pitch, denoted by small p. Pitch is a center distance between two consecutive rivets. P equal to 3D, where D equal to dia of dia rivet material. Margin M, distance between edge of plate to the center line of rivet in the nearest row. M, M equal to 1.5 into D. Transverse pitch PT or back pitch or row pitch. Distance between two consecutive row of rivet in same plate. PT equal to 0.8 into P for of F for chain riveting. PT equal to 0.6 P for zigzag riveting. Diagonal pitch PT, diagonal distance from one rivet to other rivet in adjacent row. Note: a lap joint is always subjected to bending moment due to eccentric force. This bending moment causes distortion of plate. MB equal to P into T. A riveted butt joint, two side by side plate held together with the help of a strap plate placed over these plate. The main advantage of butt joint is there is no bending moment. Line of action of force on two plate lie in the same plane. Second disadvantage: co- costly joint due to requirement of additional strap plate. Types of butt joint: first, single riveted single strap butt joint. Second, single riveted double strap butt joint. Third, double riveted double strap butt joint chain pattern. Fourth, double riveted double strap butt joint zigzag pattern. Types of butt joint: fifth, diamond or lozenge joint, known as diamond rivet, are arranged in diamond shape. Use bridges, trusses, and crane. Third, economical joint plate of smaller width is required for the joint. Rivet material: mostly mild steel. SYT equal to 400 to 530 megapascal. Hot rolled steel rivet bar and high tensile steel rivet steel bar. Chemical composition of rivet material: Ca- carbon less than 0.23%, sulfur less than 0.05%, and phosphorus less than 0.05. Rivet for corrosive atmosphere is stainless steel. Rivet for non-ferrous and soft material are copper, brass, bronze, and aluminum alloy. Rivet for joints of uh, aluminum alloy, duralium rivet. Notes: when the metal for the part being joined and rivet material have different electrochemical potential, they form galvanic pair and accelerate the corrosion process. Therefore, many times rivet are made up of same material as the part being joined. Types of failure in rivet joint: shear failure of rivet, tensile failure of plate between two consecutive rivet, crushing failure of plate, shear failure of plate in margin area. Fifth, tearing of plate in margin area. Strength of riveted joint is strength: shear force that a joint can withstand without causing failure. PS is less than equal to 2 into tau into pi by 4 into d square into n for double shear. Here we use 2, multiple of 2. Tensile strength of plate between rivet: PT is less than equal to sigma 2 into w minus n into d into t. Crushing strength of plate: PC less than equal to sigma c into d into t into n, where sigma c equal to crushing stress, d equal to dia of rivet, t equal to thickness of rivet, thickness of plate, n equal to number of rivet. Efficiency if riveted joint: of a riveted joint. Efficiency of joint represent as eta equal to strength of riveted joint by strength of unriveted solid joint equal to minimum of PS PT PC by sigma T into P into T.